Hey guys, it's your girl Lady Adri here, and today we are cleaning the refrigerator. Don't forget to follow me on social media at _Lady Adri. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting. When I tell you guys, I can't even believe we let the refrigerator get this bad. It's never been this bad, but we've had crazy schedules. We're on the go people. Sometimes we don't even have time to cook. Sometimes it's just grab something quick. But today we are going to fix that problem. And I know you guys seen the yellow light on for changing the filter, but that's actually to order the filter, and then once it turns red, I need to replace the filter, so we will be ordering that. So I wanted to start by trying to turn off the refrigerator so it wouldn't try to kick on to get to the 38 degrees. So I just ended up leaving it just because every time I would turn off the fridge, it would turn off the freezer too, and I didn't want that. So of course I just tried to move as quick as I could. And you guys are just gonna have to excuse me because it was Saturday. I'm comfortable. My hair is crazy. I literally got up, brushed my teeth, washed my face, and got to cleaning like I do every Saturday. So Saturdays usually means sweatpants for me. Alright, so before spraying the refrigerator down, I just wanted to go over any loose dirt, loose particles that were in the refrigerator, so I wouldn't like spray over it and be pushing stuff around. So I kind of wanted to move any debris before spraying the refrigerator completely down. And as you're gonna see, I'm removing the drawers. Everything could come off in the refrigerator. The shelves can come off. The shelves on the door can come off as well, but they really weren't that dirty, so I didn't want to take those off. But I ended up just taking off the drawers. To spray down the refrigerator, I'm using something that's called Crud Cutter. It's a disinfectant. Y'all know how hard in this pandemic it is to find Lysol spray. Oh my goodness. So I'm just doing what works right now. Sometimes I will use vinegar and water, but right now I'm just using the Crud Cutter. And I just let it sit. Read the directions of whatever solution you're using, but I'll let solution sit for 10 to 15 minutes so that it's disinfecting everything properly before wiping it off. Right here, I am going through each product, looking at the expiration date, pouring out whatever I can or whatever's expired, and tossing away what is expired or what needs to go in the garbage, whether it's food containers from leftovers that we haven't eaten for a couple of days. But I'm just sorting through everything and doing a keep pile and a toss pile. So this is my first clean with me video that I'm super duper excited about. So next time I'm definitely going to place the camera where you guys can see inside the fridge and what I am scrubbing down. But let me know if you like cleaning with me videos, what you want to see from me, anything specific. Personally, I love clean with me videos. I think they're so relaxing to watch someone else clean, knowing that you have to clean your own house. But I enjoy these videos, and while I'm trying to grow my channel, I definitely want to do the things I enjoy, because if I enjoy them, I know someone else will enjoy them. So why not do them as well? But there will be a lot more of these videos. Now, I know the fridge wasn't super dirty, but y'all not about to tell me this don't look like a brand new fridge. Super duper clean, spotless, okay? Now to find a new home in the refrigerator for everything that I'm keeping. I'm sure everybody uses the baking soda in their refrigerator for deodorizing. I'm using the same one that I just took out because I just replaced that. Y'all, this before and after is nuts. We had so many condiments in our refrigerator for no reason. It was like 10 salad dressings. Like, I don't even understand. But I'm so glad you guys watched my first cleaning with me video. Make sure you subscribe again and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting. There will be lots more of these videos. Make sure you stick with me. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.